Okay, people, this is me, Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees again. We're still over here at Dead Creek, and we're looking here now at number, just a second. We're looking at number 325. Doesn't really look too active. Oh yeah, they're coming out now. But we're going to see how they're doing. I'm sure they're doing great. Okay, we're going to smoke them a little bit here first. Yep, they're sticking their little heads out. Okay. There we go. It takes a little bit more time with these people. I hope y'all are checking on better. And you seasoned beekeepers, I hope y'all can help me. I mean, we take advice. Just do it lovingly. Don't be mean. Nobody knows everything. A lot of people think they do. You know, those that think they know everything, they don't make it very long. And you get big roaches in your hive and everything, and kind of like getting in your house. You know, we don't like it, but they don't, in a beehive they don't really hurt anything. Here's got some beetles too. Looks like it had a little bit of wax problem. Wax moth problem. Not big, but plastic, we can't do a whole lot with it. Let me change some things here. Put that there. Put that there. Down the top. Now we got a place over here to put these frames. Okay. We're back in business now. This one here. Not much on it. Here, not much on it. Should be like the last one though. I mean, they had plenty of stuff going on. Oh, about done. If you watch Don's old video, you might like his new ones too. But if you watch his old ones, he'll show you how to build boxes, how to make foundations, how to make queens. I think this one got a little bit less bees in it. That's what they're all looking like. Anyway, God will teach you. Feel like I swallowed a book. Nothing. Whack them all. This one here could have swarmed. Could have swarmed and queen didn't come back. And like I said, I was brain dead there for a while. Sort of. But these bees here, we'll have to find them a new home. The little girls there, they got them some stores in there, so they're happy with that one. So we'll probably just combine them with some. Unless we got a queen. Now we got a queen, we got a different thing. This one here has a queen cell. I think it had the queen, and the queen went out. But the queen cell is hatched. Inside here's got some nectar and some pollen. Or else I could find some eggs and stick in here, because it's not really that late in the year. People ask me about the, is it too late to start it? I do it. You know, split, I do it. But right here is where the queen cell was at. Right here, and it's hatched. And like I say, she just didn't come back. Now the swarm I caught, this isn't from it, because whichever hive she came from, this one has some pollen, so they've been working, bless their little hearts. Some of them beetles off is what we're doing. sun is in a place right now to where it's kind of hard to catch or see. The bees are after them. Okay, we're gonna come back and do some stuff with this one. This will take a little bit longer. But we're probably just combine these with some other, with another one. We'll find another one to combine them with. But that's what we go through, people. If you don't catch the bees, you come back to this, it's not the bees' fault. They've been doing great. But we'll find some place to put them, keep them happy. Y'all take care of yourself. Give us a comment, share, subscribe. Let me know if I'm taking too long on these things. And we'll talk with you later. Comments are good. Bye-bye. Subscription is better. Bye-bye. Actually, they're both great. Bye.